engineer. Now they make the wrong connection. If you remember, this was like this, right? You came here 2-3 times. This was like this, okay? And this end should be fixed here, and this end should be fixed here, because this is the water inlet and this is the outlet, and they fix this this outlet on the circulating line. Section line, okay?
And
So it
section
means
line
this
they
is
kept
not working.
NRV and
This is NRV and like this direction, okay? But actually we need this opposite side. Like before, everything is okay here now, but like before, this should be connected here and this should be connected here.
now see the temperature.
Now
how much?
see, this the water is hot now. How much? You put water now?
That is primary circuit.
Primary circuit. Okay. Video still online?
Yeah.
Okay. The thing is only we requested to change the NRV and union. Okay, they changed.
But
we didn't told them to make this
the-
rotation. No need to make this rotation. Just just fix like before.